This tutorial is a step-by-step on how to install Byldr on your Hololens 2 device. You'll need your Hololens 2 and a network connection. First, let's head over to www.byldr.app and click on Byldr's Hall in the top menu. Go ahead and sign up for a free account. Next, you'll need a Microsoft account to log in. If you need to make one, head to www.account.microsoft.com and set one up for free. If it's your first time using the HoloLens 2, you'll need to set it up. Please follow the prompts you see. At this point, if you set up your account for the first time, you should have connected to a network. If you haven't done so, please connect to your network. With the HoloLens 2, you can connect with the Wi-Fi or by using an Ethernet cable, but you'll need a USB-C to Ethernet adapter. To install apps onto your HoloLens 2, you'll need to be signed in with your Microsoft account. Once you've logged in, perform the start gesture, go to the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type in Byldr and hit the search icon. Once you see the app, click on Download or Install. Once the program has finished installing, you can perform the start gesture again, head into All Apps, and look for and select Byldr. Once Byldr opens, sign in with the same login you created in the Byldr website. In our next tutorial, we'll go over how to upload assets through our dashboard on Byldr's website so we can use them in our next builds.